You're saying come back this time next year, we're going to have more of the same, that we're going to have trade wars every year, but there'll be trade battles, surely, in the scheme of a massive trade war.
Well, I think the situation is kind of like the 1990s, in which every year, China and US, probably, maybe Europe will get into the picture later, some kind of serious trade negotiations surrounding things like intellectual property rights, trade imbalances, etc. Almost at that time, every year you have a serious trade negotiation. At the end of the day, okay, in the 90s, every year some agreement was made, and then the issue delayed to the next year. There will be another issue.
That was also a ploy in some way to get into the World Trade Organization as well on the part of Beijing.
Yes, you could say WTO is a kind of a grand bargain, I would say. But it also has other factors favoring China at that time that allow it to sort out the issue at the end of the day. Like, for example, I think at that time the multinationals are probably much more supportive on China, probably than now regarding the intellectual property right issues, etc. But I can see is from this point onwards, you probably will see more and more this kind of...
Has Donald Trump changed things, though? That's the point here. And, would this have happened under previous US administrations?
Now, I think the underlying conditions are there already. But Trump, because he played the game in a very unorthodox manner, that started the process. But the bottom line is that, look, even if Trump no longer in office, I think the next administration will probably more or less follow the same line.